Okay, this is New York Times for Sudoku puzzle for December 17. So let's take a look. One is in 3 cells. One is in 2 cells over here. Actually, up here it's only 2 cells like this, right? Okay, I'm curious about this row because 3 in this row can only be here, right? Now 1 in this row can only be here or here. 4 we don't know for now. And 8 cannot be here. 8 could be here or here. That's the triple in this row. Okay. And let's come back to 2's. 2's are vertical like this. No. We don't know much more about 2's, do we? No, not really. Okay, so what else do we know about 3? So over here, 3 is in 3 cells on the corners. Okay. I don't like the 4 cells up there, but over here 3 is like this in 2 cells. Okay, let's look at 4. So 4 is actually flat, so we already marked the 4s. Actually, this was incorrect. 4s are like this, okay. Now 5. So 5 is in 2 cells over here. Okay. We know all the 3 5s in the bottom. Okay, so we're here 5s in 3 cells. Okay. What about 6? Well, 6 actually has to be here, right? That makes 3 flat over here. Makes 3's flat over here. And of course, if this is 6, 6's are also like this over here. Okay. Let's take a look at 7 real quick. We know 7 is in 3 cells in this box. And that's as much as we know about 7. What about 8? So 8 is in 2 cells over here in the middle, like this, right? 8 is also, I will mark in 3 cells over here. And actually 8 is vertical over here. So this is 8. That's useful because we know 8s are like this. And of course this cannot be 8, this must be 1. So this is 4, this is 8 in this row. Okay, now we know this cannot be 8. And let me get rid of this one. This must be 1, this must be 6. So this cannot be 1, 1s are flat. And if this is 6, well, I'm not sure what it gives us, but I suppose I will fill in the 5, 6, 7 triplet over here. Okay, so what about this 4? Does this 4 give us anything? Unfortunately, I'm not quite sure what this 4 gives us. Okay. Well, let's take a look at 9 real quick. So 9's in 2 cells over here. Right, 9 is in 3 cells over here. And actually, looking at this, because 6's must be in these 3 cells as well. So that's a triplet over here. 3, 6, 9, right? So now we're looking at 4's. Wait a minute, actually, is this correct? Because, wait, so 7's are like this. So 3, 6, and 9 definitely cannot be in these 2 cells. But, so we have too many numbers because we have 3, 6, 7, and 9. 3, 6. I'm just looking at this box. Yeah, never mind. I don't know why I put 7's like this. Never mind. Yeah, this is correct. So 4, 7, 4, 7. I was a little bit confused for a moment there. Yeah, so 4, 7, 4, 7 matching pair over here, which, you know, just means 7's are like this. Okay. So what? Let me just enter the triplet. So we need 1, 5. So we know 1 could be here. Okay, and the other digit we need is 2. Okay, so 2 could be here, cannot be here. Okay, yeah, 1 and 2 cannot be here. This must be 5. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 1, 2 matching pair. And so 5s are actually just like 3s. And just like, oh, except that 5 cannot be here. So this is 3. This is 5. So these cannot be 5s. This is 5. Okay, and then looking across, we know 5s are stuck like this over here. This, of course, now is conveniently 6, 7, 6, 7, so we know 7s must be flat like this. This cannot be 7. This is 7, and 6s are just like 2s over here. And I just want to check the 2 cells over, 2 digits over here, so 4. So I think 4 can be either way. I think that's fine. And then we need 9, which, again, I think that's fine, but the last digit over here must be 2. This cannot be 2. This must be 1. This is 2. Get rid of this one, of course. Okay, and then 2s are just like 5s over here. Okay, and the last 2 digits in this row, we need 4 again. And then we need 9 again. 4, 9, 4, 9 like this. Now the last 2 digits over here, so we need a 2, which cannot be here. This is 2, this is 8. Sorry, this is 8. Okay, so this cannot be 8, this is 8. Okay, and I mean this 2 by itself doesn't quite give us that much information. Okay, and let's see, what are we missing here? So we need a 4, which can be like this, and then we need a 9. Which is flat over here like this. Okay. That is interesting. Now this should be 4 or 7 as well. So we do have 4, 7, 4, 7 matching pair over here. So the other 3 digits we need a 3, for example, right? So 3 in this row can go here, here, and here. And then we need a 9. So 9 could go here, I think. And it could go here, so that's the triple in this row as well. Okay. Now we're here, how does 1 go over here? So 1s go like this, right? Okay, and then how does 6 go over here? Well, we don't quite know, right? So 1, 4, 6 is sort of like this, and this cell, so it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, can be 7, but it cannot be, yeah, this is a -7. Okay, so we have 6, 7. These cannot be 6s. This is 6. This is 4. This is 1. Okay, now we know this must be 9. This must be 4. This 9 right here. These are not 9s. Okay. So, what do we have in this row? We need a 1, which is like this. Okay, that's a little bit anticlimactic. Okay. So, okay, but this is 7 or 9, but cannot be 9. So this is 7. This is 9. This is 4. This is 7. Okay, so what does that mean? So 7s are, well, actually 7, we said this is 4, 7, 4, 7, so this is 4. This is 7, this is 4. Okay, and this must be 7, the last 7. Okay, and then 4 down here can only be here. 4, this must be 1, so this is 9, this is 1. Okay, and so this must be 3. Get rid of 3's over here. This up here is 5. This is 3. This is 2. This is 5. Okay, and this is 4, 9, but it cannot be 4. So this is 9, 4, 9. Of course, this cannot be 9. We need a 2 over here, which can only be here. This is 8. This is 9. This is 8. Okay, and then this, of course, is 6, this is 2, this is 3, this is 6. And this is 3. Okay.